was really close, wasn't it?
He still is, yeah. Well, take your camera out. Take it if you can, take your phone out. I'll just film it.
Treasurer Jim Sharma is outlining the budget deficit.
And they'll find out areas where
levels will be lower over the next 4 years.
Our job is to make sure that our cost of living help is
That's fine. Whatever you're doing now is fine.
No, I can't see.
It just needs to show the back window. Just show the back window.
The cost of a new passport is about to skyrocket, with the federal government hiking up the price by 15%. An adult passport will now cost $375, netting the government an extra $349 million over the next 3 years. And good news for seafood runners.
$49.
Jaspers not expected to impact our prawn supply. Coles and Woolies say there's actually a rare oversupply, so prawns could be cheaper this Christmas.
Well, watch out when we're driving.
Yeah.
He's driving on my tail. Just keep it handy.
Get your tickets Saturday, December 30.
And if you just want to do like a selfie and just have it pointing out the back there, I just need to show how close he is.
Okay, yeah, that's right.
Rookie coach Benji Marshall. Marshall will take over the reins
All right, let's
earlier
turn this
than
around.
expected and is under pressure to turn the club's fortunes around. Richardson says he's committed to making sure Benji has what he needs.
No, he's staying back.
You want to be
It's
a
tremendous.
successful coach. My job's to put everything around him to allow him to be successful.
And Australia are
Pausing
on
it,
strength for
so
the
it's ready
opening
to
test
go.
of the summer, which gets underway against Pakistan.
We're in 40 zone. So driving at 40.
He's no longer behind you, is he?
No, it's just pulled out. Oh, it's just pulled into the other lane. Now he's going to drive like a psycho for these people. These people. Something. Newcastle vehicle transport.
Oh, you didn't ask me to check.
And his number plate is YN218. Z. And he's tailgating this other car too.
You're over the speed limit.
That's what I'm doing.
YN21HZ from Top Start.
Newcastle vehicle transport on the side.
Okay.
Top Start, I think is the try.
Aside. Okay, I've called it.
Tailgating those vehicles in front, doesn't need to drive that close. Oh, now he's changing lanes again. So he's right on our tail before. Oh, now he's trying not to smash into that car in front.
Where are you off?
Well, middle lane because we're going to Newcastle.
Right.
So it gives an idea. Straight ahead there, closer drive to the vehicle.
You're over the
What's he
speed
doing
limit.
zigzagging? He's big enough to stay in his own lane.
Yeah. But it's a 40 zone, so we're speeding a bit.
See if we find any numbers.
Phone number to me.
Newcastle Vehicle Transport. Phone number 4975 4 times 5. 4975 5555.
Give him a call.
4975 5555. We're going to call him now.
Yeah. Just put the number into your phone.
That's great.